Hi everyone, congratulations, you just made it out all through January and welcome to a new month. Congratulations to you and your beautiful family out there. And today, some of our subscribers they have been sending me messages that they want to know how the leaf I used for my egusi look like, the kale leaf I was talking about. So I just came back from the market and I decided to show you how it look and tell you a bit more about kale leaf. Yes, right in front of me is the kale leaf. Around the world, there are different varieties of kale leaf, but this one is called it's called palm kale leaf. Palm kale. You can see that it's long, so it actually look has the shape of a palm tree. Yeah, because it's long. Yes, kale leaf is very rich. Is that leaf you can substitute for your pumpkin leaf. I used to call it the twin brother of pumpkin, your aka ugu leaf, because some of us that live in the diaspora, we don't have access to ugu leaf. And sometimes, if you want to cook your meal, you're looking for a leaf that will not melt in your meals. And kale leaf is firm and it's green, so you can easily substitute this for your pumpkin leaf, and it's very nutritious. You can use this leaf for your eforiro, that means your vegetable sauce. You can use it for your egusi. You can even add it to your tomato stew. Like if you're looking for the way to eat more vegetable this year and add more nutrient to your family meals. Yes, you can even turn it to smoothie. Yes, I use them for my smoothie. And you can also just steam the leaf, like it's on our channel. I steamed the leaf the day I made the, I think, plantain porridge. You can steam it with a bit of onions, add a bit of crayfish or any seasoning of your choice. And you can also have it as side dish. Sometimes instead of eating rice and stew, you add this also as side dish. By doing that, you're going to add more vitamin C. And this is one of the vegetables that have the highest amount of vitamin K. So you and it's also rich in folate for, and it's good for everyone. Like when I was expecting my boy, then I eat a lot of it because it's rich in folate and it's very healthy and affordable. Yes, this is all about kale, and you can give it to your toddler or your children. Yes, my boy, I used to add it to his meal, add it to his smoothie. Yes, you remember, you are what you eat, and your health, your greatest wealth here on earth is your health. So take care of your health. Have a glorious, beautiful month, and it's a month of love. Show people love around by, if you are in charge of preparing their meal, give them the best. And take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Perosa's Kitchen. And before I go ahead, yeah, Perosa's TV. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about ingredients for cooking, substitutes.